Today, I would like to express my crucial views and aspects of education, the child care and wellness in schools. As an educator and caregivers, we must play a vital role in shaping the minds and bodies of a future generation. Seeing this, the CBSE has promoted about the wellness of child care in schools curriculum. Child care not only involves in academic support, but it also involves in creating, nurturing the environment that forces the emotional, social, physical growth. It includes the emotional support, providing a safe space for children to express their feelings and concerns. Social skills development, which helps in encouraging the teamwork, empathy, communication. Physical activity is also a vital part which helps in promoting regular exercises and healthy habits. The next part, which is also an important part of the work, is an wellness. It is equally important and plays a significant role in child development. It includes a mental health awareness. It helps in reducing the mental stress and self-care, as today every child is facing the stress in competitive age, and so the stress management must be reduced for every child to reduce the stress. Nutrition and healthy habits. It promotes balanced diets, healthy food choice, and we are very well aware that healthy minds resides in healthy body. So good nutritious diet must be promoted for every child. Next, the important part is safety and hygiene. It includes which helps in providing the clean and safe hygienic environment. Child care helps in forming holistic development in child with sports in overall development. The children, it will surely lead for the better outcomes in future of the coming generation. More and more educators, psychologists, counselors must be in schools to incorporate the mental health awareness and safety protocols. Parents must also cooperate and work together with the counselors to ensure the consistency and support. It is the only way we can give the healthy, stress-free and mental and physical health to our forthcoming generation. Thank you.